Tired of the freelance grind? Let's unleash the power of Toptal and transform your skills into premium freelance income. First things first, understand the ecosystem. Toptal is a curated platform, meaning they handpick top talent. Visit their website and familiarize yourself with the kind of projects they have. Next, let's talk about projects. The platform boasts various offerings based on skill sets, which are constantly changing. Identify areas where your expertise shines and look at the project details. What skills are requested? Does this sound like something you can do and enjoy? Now, onto the application process. Your profile is your key. A strong, precise resume, which highlights your skills, experience, and results. Show off your portfolio. Highlight any unique skills to stand out and clearly state what you hope to achieve. And finally, let the application be clear and concise. Ready to collaborate. Successful freelancers excel at client interaction. Always maintain prompt communication. Be transparent about progress, and always ensure you meet deadlines. Going above and beyond when at all possible. Use the tools available to you, such as regular check-ins. Project management is your secret weapon. Effective organization keeps you on track. Prioritize tasks. Break down projects into manageable steps, and use tools to monitor progress. Set realistic timelines. Finally, high-quality work is paramount. Focus on excellence. Go the extra mile to deliver exceptional results and, most importantly, consistently exceed expectations. Toptal is a platform for outstanding freelancers, so go out there and aim high.